Oh, you might be surprised how useful a portable bathtub actually is. If you are in the middle of a bathroom remodel, a portable bathtub is a lifesaver because it allows you to stay clean, even when your shower has been ripped out. We rate the 7 best portable bathtubs for performance, cost, portability, and overall quality. Number 1. WEYLAN TEC Foldable Bathtub. If you want a foldable bathtub that is suitable for toddlers, twins and even petite adults, this model hits the mark. It is constructed from polypropylene and TPS, so it is durable and foldable and yet is BPA-free. You also get superior heat insulation to keep the water hotter for longer and a non-slip rib to stop falls in the bathtub. The material has been tested to be used up to 15,000 times before you experience any defects. That's a lot of bathing. This tub folds almost flat, so you can pack it in the car and take it with you for family holidays or overnight stops. It only weighs 14.55 pounds when folded and empty, so it is lightweight too. And thanks to the slimline design, it stores away easily too. Number 2. Ganen Unisex Foldable Bathtub. This is a barrel-shaped portable tub, enabling the user to immerse themselves in water up to the shoulders. While it may not be as comfortable as other bathtubs, it is an excellent portable option. It stands almost 30 inches tall and 30 inches in width, so it only fits one person at a time, but it is super lightweight, at just 6.29 pounds. You also get 3 layers of high-quality materials, consisting of 2 layers of PVC and a layer of mesh cloth. The rim is inflatable for added comfort, and the drain tap is detachable, and you can extend the drain reach to about 30 inches, so you drain the water into an outlet. The company claims you can fit 2 adults in this tub, but looking at the dimensions, that's stretching it a bit. On the plus side, it is cheaper than other models to feature, especially the WEYLAN TEC model. Number 3. LUCKUP Portable Freestanding Bathtub. Like the Ganon model, this one has 3 layers of material. You get a layer of insulating and wear-resistant flocking fabric, a layer of reinforced cotton, followed by a waterproof coating of PVC. This bathtub measures just 27.5 by 7.87 by 1.97 inches when folded, making it a breeze to store away and transport in the car. It holds a maximum of 120 liters of water, or about 26 gallons, which is more than enough for an average-sized adult to immerse themselves up to the shoulders. This model has a bottom drain as well as a side drain tap, so you can choose, plus you get a tubular high-support frame with thickened PVC brackets. Thanks to his portable bathtub's dimensions, it is the ideal model to fit into your shower enclosure to turn it into a bath, and because one of the drain valves is on the base, you can let the water flow down the shower drain. The company doesn't state whether this material is BPA-free, which is something that will require further investigation before you purchase. Number 4. COZ Inflatable Adult Bathtub. This bathtub is different, because unlike those features so far, where you have to sit in a barrel-shaped tub, this one is more traditional in shape. You can lay down and soak as you would in your bathtub at home. It is entirely inflatable, which means that it should be lightweight when deflated and take up minimal storage space. For that reason, it also scores highly for portability and maneuverability, plus erecting it just takes a pump rather than joining poles and brackets. You get a covered bathing area to protect your modesty, a cup holder, inflatable headrest, and pillow, plus a bottom and side drain valve to empty faster. It only takes 3 minutes to erect, thanks to the included electric pump. The only issue is it is rated at 110 volts, so it won't plug into your 12-volt car socket. The material is eco-friendly PVC, which is non-toxic, so it is safe for all the family. Number 5. PPBathtub XL Inflatable Bathtub. If you like sharing your soak under the stars on the campsite, this 2-person inflatable tub is the ideal choice. You get a backrest at both ends, and because it is inflatable, it deflates to a tiny size, making it suitable for the trunk of the car or for storing under a cabinet in the home. It has 2 cup holders to keep your beers steady and a ridged floor with anti-slip qualities. Like the other inflatable model, it comes with an electric pump, so inflating it should be a breeze. The drain plug is on the bottom, but you get a pipe that extends the reach to the nearest outlet. The downside with this bathtub is the size. You might struggle to find space for it indoors. On the plus side, it does double up as a kid's summer pool. The other black mark against this tub is the company doesn't state whether it is BPA-free plastic. This is crucial for peace of mind, especially if you have kids. Number 6. MESINURS Medical Inflatable Bathtub. When you are looking after elderly relatives, getting them into the bathtub can be a challenge. This inflatable model lies entirely flat so that you can store it under the mattress, and the water filling comes courtesy of a bag that hangs from an 4-post, the bed frame, or another mount. It also doubles as a portable shower, so when your uncle or aunt are settled in the bath, you can bathe them in gentle water. This system removes the need for bed or sponge baths, and it turns a bed into a bathtub, meaning they never need to leave their room to stay clean. It's why it is the clear winner as a bathtub for elderly, infirm, bedridden, and disabled relatives. Number 7. KELIXU Foldable Portable Bathtub. Nothing quite beats bringing the creature comforts from home when you are out in the back and beyond. This barrel-shaped bathtub has 4 layers, including an outer suede material, a thermal coating and pearl cotton, plus a layer of internal PVC to make it waterproof. You also get strong support poles and a detachable drain valve, plus a simple folding action to easily transport or store it away. Unfolded, it measures 27.6 inches by 27.6 inches. When folded away, it only measures 27.6 by 7.87 by 1.97 inches. This model packs down and quickly assembles when you reach your destination. The maker claims the material is safe, but they don't go into detail about whether that means BPA-free or non-toxic. Sometimes a little bit of clarity makes you feel more confident when buying. On the plus side, this tub is incredible value for money, so if you are making your first portable bathtub purchase, this is a wise investment.